from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over an update on the KleerCard. I made a video, I think a couple of videos back 4 or 5 months ago about the KleerCard, and a lot of people applied and didn't hear anything back. They closed the applications down because they got overwhelmed, and they're fine-tuning the system because it was a fairly new fintech company. It's this card here. You can see I have KleerCard. I spoke to the co-founders, both of the founders of KleerCard, and they kind of got overwhelmed with my videos and other YouTubers putting out videos about the KleerCard. So they had to shut down the application process a couple months ago. Now it's back up. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up on that you guys can reapply. For those that don't know what KleerCard is basically like an expense management card, kind of like Divvy Bricks in a way. You can control the spending. I don't have myself logged in right now because it's on the computer behind me. But anyways, this is basically like a net 7 terms. And since they are self-underwriting everything for the time being, they have to know their customers and everything to keep out their fraudulent applications and whatnot. So don't expect to get like a $50,000, $100,000 limit unless your bank account supports that of your business revenue. So one of the key data points with them is they have to verify who you are and everything. And then as far as I know, I don't think anything's changed, but maybe it has, but they don't do a credit check. They are going to start reporting soon to the credit bureaus, Dun and Bradstreet, I believe. And the application's very quick. And one of the owners is a ex-U.S. representative out of the state of Colorado. That's Owen right here. And you guys can go to his website, check it out, and watch his video. He kind of understands or breaks everything down for you guys to be able to understand what it is. They, like I said, they do only offer net 7-day terms. So if you get approved for say 2,000 or 5,000, 10,000, it is only going to be like a net 7 terms. They're going to draw weekly out of your business bank account. You're going to have to attach using the Plaid platform, a platform like that, and then they'll do a weekly draw on that. I know it's not net 30 or revolving, but the extra 7 days could be helpful for some to leverage their business finances and business credit. So I'm not going to make this video too long because you guys can go back and watch the other videos I did about the KleerCard. But it's pretty, self-explanatory. You get up and running really quickly. Once your application is submitted, they'll give you an offer pretty much right away. So here's their application. I'm not going to go through all of it here. But what's nice about it is before they just had it where you set up put in your basic information, and then they'll reach out to you and do like a Zoom video call and decide if they're going to either approve you or deny you. With their new system they got set up here is it basically takes everything, kind of AI, being a fintech company, takes all the information and then analyzes your business bank account. And then at that time, they'll come back instantly, at least in my case, and others have said, you get an instant offer. And it's up to you to either accept it or not accept it. And then your card will be mailed out to you, and then you just complete the process. It can be used for anything, and you can actually set it up to be expense control. So if you want to issue cards to your employees and only want to limit to gas, you can set it up that way, or limit to just hotels, or a daily spending limit, or unlimited. It's all in your controls in the back end. I wish I would have had mine opened for this video. I didn't think about it until after I hit record, but it's very easy, and they've streamlined the application, so it's really good compared to how it was before. And in fact, I would say this is probably better than any of the other either fintech business lines of credit applications out there right now, because you usually submit and then they'll get back to you after a couple of days or a couple of weeks with either a denial or approval. This is pretty much instantly, unless there's an issue with ID verification. So make sure that you have your driver's license, state ID, or passport handy, because that's part of the process as well. Their system's going to review that. But they'll give you a conditional offer, and that'll be the line of credit they give you. Keep in mind, I don't know, there's so much changing right now with them internally. So if they give you an offer, say for 7 days, they may give you an offer for 14 days or 30 days, depending on your credit worthiness and how much you have in the bank account. But as you build up a relationship with them, that may change from 7 days to 14 days or 30 days possibly. So you just build up that relationship with them, as well as limit increases. I think they'll increase as long as your revenue of your business supports that. Also, what's nice about them is they get the card to you really quick too. There's one more point I wanted to touch on as well. I don't think they're doing any personal credit checks now, because they didn't do it with mine, and I haven't heard anybody say that they've got any hard credit checks at all. They just basically have to verify your identity through their system, and that's it. And obviously verify your business information, your business bank account. And then they give you the offer, and then you'll get like an onboarding call demo to show you how to use the system and everything. But it's very much like a divvy. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to cover. I just wanted to give you guys an update. You can see this application process is streamlined now. So you get pretty much an instant offer as long as you have all your information already with you at the time of applying. It only takes 5-10 minutes to fill out the application. So the link will be in the description below. You might want to check it out and see if it's right for you. Like I said, they're a fairly new fintech company, and who knows what the future holds for them either. All these new fintech business lines of credit cards are really paving the way for new business owners to expand and leverage business credit to grow their business. So you'll get, like I said, it's the KleerCard, it's a Visa card. And you can also issue virtual cards as well. So if you want to do like subscription basis and set a monthly limit or a weekly limit, you can do that as well. I run my Kajabi and a few other things through KleerCard, and then they just take out every week out of my business bank account. But keep in mind, one of the offers requirements is going to be if you only have a small amount of money, say $1,000 or $2,000 in your business bank account, you may only get 500 or 1,000 or something. That is a key factor on how much money you have in the business bank account at the time of applying. So keep that in mind. Also, I believe they're offering a secured type Clear Credit Builder program where you pay a minimal fee and they'll start reporting to the business credit bureaus. I don't know if that's 100% set up yet. Owen was talking about that before, and I heard some other people mention that they got offered that as well. So you pay like a little fee, and then I think a monthly fee, and it's kind of like a secured version, but it's helping you build up business credit. And it can also turn into an unsecured line as far as deposits and all that go. Anyways, that's all for this video. You guys take care. Until next time, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps our channel grow and get out to a wider audience. You guys take care. Bye-bye.